I gotta tell you, of all things I've done while camping, this was not worth it. Let's move on from this and go to something else.
Serpent son, he paid to be the one. It's pay to play, you stay to fade away. They know it's real, we steady, you keep it pushing. Head to the sky and fuel to the fire. Serpent son, he paid to be the one. It's pay to play, you stay to fade away.
So I have to say, despite Belle Plaine State Forest not having as many activities as Stokes State Forest as we went to 2 weeks ago, there's a couple more bodies of water that you can go fishing in or kayaking in and just kind of relaxing, but they do smell. They're almost like marshy areas right next to our campsite that if you were here in the summertime, I can almost guarantee you that you would be bombarded and overwhelmed with the mosquito, exactly. You can see, like, you would think alligators might be crawling around in this area. Like, if I were to be playing a story, you would think maybe, oh, I'm trapped on like a little island right now, you know what I'm saying? But Andrew's right there. He's right there, he's nice and comfy on dry land. All doing okay.
You want to give me a kiss?
What? Are these cameras about to like...
Makes you happy, it's not so deep, you can't afford to waste time.
You gotta get away from me.
Serpent son, he paid to be the one. He's paid to play, stay to fade away. They know it's real, we steady, keep it pushing. Head to the sky and fuel to the fire. Serpent son, he paid to be the one. He's paid to play, stay to fade away. They know it's real, we steady, keep it pushing. Head to the sky and fuel to the fire.
So right now we got a pizza on the fire pit, okay? We got a cheese pie. We're gonna see what's better, stove cooked or fireplace cooked. Right here we got the stove cooked. Thank you, Andrew.
What the dog doing?
Now we're gonna have to try a slice from both, regardless of how they look. You know what I'm talking about. This is a fire pit pizza, super burnt.
Completely black.
Okay. Aside from the crusty and burnt bottom, 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10? Look at this unit.
Oh, you like ranch too?
I might. 7.
Hey. See, okay, so fire pizza as of right now stands at about a 6.5 average to a 7. Not bad, aside from the crusty burnt bottom. Totally recommend putting tin foil down before you go and cook your pizza over a fire. Skippity boop. Boop. Oh, hello. Pull it right off onto the plate. I could pick this up. This is not a pizza.
I think you know where the flame was.
It's evenly cooked like a pizza should be, we'll put it that way. Go ahead and try your slice, bro.
Oh boy.
Not bad. Flavors are pretty good. Not bad, right?
Not bad. I think an 8 is doable. 9 would be too much.
So if you have ever seen Fantastic Four, you would know what these are.
Let me see one of them.
Here.
Do we have to take the paper off?
No, I think you just put it right on top, just like this.
Just layer on there?
I'm just gonna lay it on there, just like so.
Oh, there you're gonna go.
It's coming.
You're gonna cover your eyes, you're gonna get bursted with butter.
Yup. Let's move on from this and go to something else. They're all burnt. These are all burnt. Popcorn does not sound like that.
Sounds rock hard.
That don't look too bad. Just a little burnt.
Looks horrible.
This one's way better.
Oh,
way better.
Yeah.
Way better.
How's your taste?
Burnt.
Burnt? Nasty?
Mm-hmm.
Not even worth it?
Okay. If we're gonna do a comparison to movie theater popcorn, 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. Give it a shot.
Oh boy. 1 out of 10 is valid.
1 out of 10.
That's valid.
Valid.
These
All
are
right.
pretty bad.
So,
As they have it, you don't ever want to go ahead and get one of these from Walmart. They are just god awful and don't taste very good.
Wow.
as he's still eating it, that's so bad. It's just a 1 out of 10.
The raccoon's got some good food tonight.
Oh yeah, he'll be eating real good once we're out of here.
He might choke and die.